ఒలింపిక్స్ పతక విజేత పివి సింధు కోచ్ తో కలిసి మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Well, I haven't decided, but I'm sure I will. But yeah, I think apart from that, Mr. Park, I know him since a very long time when he was training in the Korean with the Korean team. But yeah, when he came to India after a year or so, I started training with him. And yeah, initially we were just like it took us some time to actually know about each other, about the game, about the conditions and stuff. But I think we always had a dream, to get that Olympic medal. So yeah, I think that dream has come true, and I think yeah, we worked really hard, and he especially has worked really hard. I think because I mean, I'm sure like in this pandemic, a lot of people have suffered, and especially he couldn't go home. He just met his family only for 13 days. So I think the efforts that he put in, the hard work that he put in towards me, I think that's really great. And I think all is his effort and his hard work. And we finally got that medal back to the country, and I'm really, really very happy about that.
Yes. Thank you. It is. Soumitra Da, please go ahead.
Oh, hello, Sindhu. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Couple of questions, both related to your training. I remember we had an interaction before you left for Tokyo. And we discussed something that when you switched from Gopi's Academy to Gachibowli, a lot of words were spoken, a lot of reports came out. Considering the fact that the drift played a huge role during the matches in Tokyo, do you think the decision to move from Gopi's Academy to Gachibowli now stands vindicated and there should not be any more controversy?
Yeah, I mean, from the beginning, I think there was no controversy. I mean, yeah, there were so many questions and everything, but I think, yeah, it's as simple as that because, when you have the opportunity to play in a bigger stadium and when it is almost like a conditions of Olympics, I think, why not take that opportunity and play? So, that's why we've decided that, we will play in Gachibowli Stadium, from February we've been playing there. And of course, Badminton Association and also sports authorities have really supported us because, when we asked and they've given us the permission immediately and we could train from the next day. So I think, yeah, it didn't take, much time. So we immediately started training and it has really helped us because, yeah, as you mentioned, drift definitely played an important role. And I've learned a lot, playing in Gachibowli, especially in the, when there is a lot of drift. I think that, that control is very important. I've learned that in the last couple of months. And yeah, that really, really helped in this tournament.
I just wanted to add to this question. During the final stages of the match, you and Park had a lot of eye-to-eye contact, right? And who was more nervous, you or Park?
Huh? He's asking during match we had lot of eye-to-eye contact.
Yeah.
So he was asking who was more nervous, you or me?
Me, little nervous.
Yeah, but I think he never showed his nervous because as a coach, he needs to motivate the players, support the player that yes, you can do it. So yeah, that was the support that he was giving me. Yeah, we had eye-to-eye, that contact because we practice together. So, we practice together for a very long time. So we know, okay, what he's saying, what needs to be done or what needs to be changed. So yeah, that's what we've been practicing also. So, I'm sure even that eye contacts also, okay, I know what to play next. So yeah, that is how it was.
Sometimes I shouting Sindhu after rally, Sindhu, please don't do that. I told you why you did it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Rika, go ahead.
Hi, Sindhu. Massive congratulations to you. Hello, coach. Big congratulations to you. Sindhu, I have to ask you about the match, how you mentally overcame your opponent. It looked to me like a cerebral carnage. how were you prepared for that, and what were you telling yourself during the match?
Well, during the match, I mean, initially after the semis was over, I was really sad. I mean, I was actually in tears. I mean, everybody was in tears. But I think, my coach and my physio, I mean, they said, it's not over yet. You have another chance. You've got another chance. Well, there were a lot of mixed emotions, whether I need to be happy that I got another chance or I had to be sad because I lost in the semifinals. But I think, of course, Park just told me one thing I still remember, where he said, there is a lot of difference between a bronze and the fourth position. I think that really hit me. And I just thought that, yes, I need to get that medal. Because getting a medal, for the country at the Olympics is definitely a big thing. And yeah, I just went with the mindset that I need to give my best and play my 100%. So yeah, it was all in that state of mind.
Coach, I'll have to ask you this question.
Yeah.
You kept calming her down again and again when she was very emotional. What was going through your mind, and how did you prepare to mentally disintegrate the opposition on the day?
I think many years teaches national team players, high rankers, Sindhu and other people, Korean players also same. Some players, I think Sindhu also, she get very important moment to get point, then players pressures very high. Then next shot, next rally is very easy mistakes to do it. So I always talk to Sindhu, very important moment, please, after rally, calm down, please.
Aram se.
Aram se. Yeah, I know Aram se means. Sindhu, please, Aram se. You have to more. Not yet finished rally and not yet finished match. Please, Aram se. So, but yeah, Sindhu, very detailed, well done. So we get the good results. Yeah, thank you.
Sindhu, just the last point to finish off the game. Talk us through that.
Yeah, I mean, until the last point, we decided that it was not over, even though I was leading, because, you never know, anything can happen. So each and every point was important. And yeah, after that point was over, I was blank. I don't know, my coach was literally like in tears. And he, of course, it's a big moment. And yeah, and of course, I went near him, I hugged him, and I said thank you, because, it was his effort also. So yeah, that moment after that point was over, I was literally like blank, didn't know what to do. And then after 5-6 seconds, I shouted. So yeah, I think all emotions like came together at once.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Tanuj.
Coach. Thank you, Sindhu, for the magic moment.
Tanuj.
Hi Sindhu, congratulations.
Guys, can I request everyone to please put their mics on mute, please? Thank you. Tanuj, you can ask your question.
Hi, thanks. Tanuj Lakhina, first post. Congratulations Sindhu and Park on the medal. In the semi-final, I remember Park saying, "Don't go for cross-court smashes." If I heard that correctly, was that a strategy that you employed and changed for the final, given you learned from it?
No, I mean, it's basically like, at that point, maybe that rally was comparatively different. That's why he said, do not hit cross smashes. But otherwise, he was like, every time it kept changing, because it depends on the player also, because even they keep changing the strategy. So yeah, it was very different compared to the semifinals and the next day game. So maybe at that particular point, he might have told that, okay, don't hit cross-court smash. But otherwise, yeah, it was fine.
And one more follow-up. How do you...
Tanuj, we'll take one question. We'll come back and do it because we're going to fall short on time.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Amit?
Where a lot of people have been affected with COVID, and a lot of things have been happening. But I think in this pandemic, a lot of tournaments also have been getting cancelled. But I think for me, I've utilized it in a very good way, where we actually got to learn new skill and new technique. And yeah, Mr. Park was always with me, training me every single day, and we've been learning new stroke and technique. So I think it has really helped me altogether. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, playing in Gachibowli Stadium is always an advantage, because when an international tournament, it is almost like an international standard courts, and there is air conditioning is needed. So yeah, I think I feel that is the best decision that we have taken, and we've also been getting players from Suchitra Academy, and so that we get used to